What's up, YouTube? Right. Okay. I think I got it to work. Okay. Right. Okay. Cool. Let's do this. Um, that's not Lofi. This is. Yeah, I don't think I can play this. So many, so many variables. Like what? Right. Okay. All right, let's do this because if it's not that, it probably looks like shit. But like, I need to do something. And think I want to do this. Um, right. I think I want to do this. Uh, yeah. Um, shouldn't get any environment variables, right? Yeah, it shouldn't. Yeah. Shouldn't get any issues with this. Uh, hey Lucho, hey Jacob, are we doing a go today? We are doing some go today, actually. We're building a CLI, sort of. I think I don't even know how it's gonna go, but yeah, we'll start with it. We'll go as I think it's just like shell stuff. So we've built it. Okay. So how does this look? This looks like yeah, I could just I could go build this. Oh, I just noticed that I'm not sharing my my I'm not sharing my terminal. Give me one sec. Give me one sec. This is horrible, man. Uh, how do I share? How do I share this? Screen capture. Okay, let's do a terminal thing. Make source visible. Yeah. Oh, that's not it. That looks weird now. Why does it have to be like that? It's a bit. I think this is about right, sort of. Can you do multiple stuff? I think they just overlap. Okay, whatever. Um, okay, cool. So, full context is code crafters. I don't think I can share the actual content of the course, so this is not there. Um, right. So as far as it goes right now, it's an infinite loop that kind of looks like it will read something from the terminal. And so it will print something to the terminal. It will read it. This is a buff.io reader, right? So it's cool. It's a nice little thing that Go has to read bytes, like, and then it gives you some helper stuff. So then this is going to read until you get a new line. So until when a person presses enter, and then we catch the error, and then it says user without line break. So what this looks like here, and I can kind of log it, but right now the command, if I wrote anything, it's kind of after I press enter, it's gonna look like this. So I guess it just makes more sense to show it, but when I run it, right, this is what's gonna pop up, and if I write hey, right, for example, it's just gonna say hey not found. So I do exit 0, and it's gonna exit whatever. So going back to that, I read this input, and I'm just gonna say not found because I haven't really worked on anything. But yeah, I think the camera's so bad right now, which might even make me want to just turn it off. It's like it's phone camera. We're like, okay, I think if audio is fine, it's fine. And just camera, just people really care about that stuff when streaming, like when looking at vids. But yeah, um, uh, what do you think about that, Lucio? Oh, my goodness. I see. I see. Okay. Oh, so there was a bit of a that was a bit of a moment. I thought I was turning on Spotify. It's just not. I don't think you can hear it. It's weird. Like, how do I even do this part? Sources. It's so confusing. I've got to do so many things just to get something to work. I did say lo-fi in the title, so I'm gonna add some lo-fi. Just because probably cut all of this intro. Maybe I won't cut all of it, but a good amount. Okay. Let me know if you can hear me fine, or if not. What would even happen? Like, I'm gonna put you down here. I'm not really reacting to anything. Is it the change? Is it the whole no, that's not doing anything? Is it this one? Okay, so that's the full view. Let me just see how that looks. So this is the full view of I think I think I'll move that a bit for privacy stuff. I think that's a bit more it's a bit more interesting. Okay. I think it gives a good view. I don't like people seeing my hands so while I'm coding like it's so they will see me. Is that weird? I think it looks a bit weird. I'm not sure. Let me just cut this part off. We just leave a bit of it. You can see it. It's just like you're just not really seeing it. You know? Okay, cool. Yeah, as a title say, we're doing this. We're gonna build an echo command now. But now we've got like two commands. We might want to build like a commander or something like that. We might want to build like a like CLI. Um, okay. So I could be like I could do a lot of if cases. Let's do one if case more, just see how that looks. So if it says the command is echo, now here's a different thing, because now when you write echo, you're gonna write echo whatever, you're gonna write echo something, then you expect something, right? So I'm gonna need to pass this. Whereas here I just had to do something. And I do have that this, but I'm gonna have to do the fields. So we've got like two definitions here. We've got like commands, and then we've got like parameters, right? So I think you start, yeah, we'll start doing this stuff, you know? Come on. Yeah, it will have like a name, and then it will have like a parameters. It'll have like params. It says we'll just write the whole thing. And then it might have args, but like I don't think we'll do that yet. And then we'll have like a type commands, which is just like a map of a string to a command. Actually, command will probably even have a function as well. And that function, this might, is this very TypeScripty? This function description? Command is a runner. Maybe we do an interface, but then we have to create a new for each one. I'm honestly just, this is like what normal coding looks like with me. It's not entertaining, it's just straight thinking. You're gonna have like a run, I guess. You have like a run, yeah, which would be like a type func. Oh, cool. A command. We'll do an interface. We'll do like, yeah, we'll do like type runner is an interface, and it's gonna have a run, and it will receive a command. Because I'm gonna need, will it receive a command? And you have like a command, and then you have a command runner. Does that even make sense? It's really just what we want to do. What's the API we want to do? But like normally, it could just be like this. It could be like a params thing. Actually, this is wrong. Yeah, it'll be a function. We could do something like this. Have I lost my mind? Have I lost my whole damn mind? Yeah, I'm just gonna. I need to remember how interfaces work. How do interfaces? I mean, this is pure transparency. Yeah, I can go. Right, okay. Right, you can compose them. Interesting. I could talk to it more. I'm gonna do it fully, like how I would do it. So, this is probably what my workflow looks like, which I just don't want to Google this. I'd probably Google, I don't even know where, like Golang, CLI, and then I'd look at examples. But This is honestly the simplest way, yes. Sadly, not the way I want to do it though. I want to be more Go-ish, right? This doesn't really seem idiomatic. Maybe it is. I want structs and interfaces. This seems horrible as well. It actually doesn't seem horrible, to be honest. This is quite nice. This is quite nice. I see this. I see where you're going with this. I'm actually going to take inspiration from it. Okay. But I'm still going to call it run. We'll call it execute because we'll call it run. We'll call it run. I like run. It's already a function, right? Yeah, it's already a function. It's going to receive args. Does it matter what type of arg? It does. It's not always going to be a string. Let's do like string for now because does it always return a string? I guess it could. Like sometimes it will. It could return an error as well, though. And you want all commands to follow something, so I don't need to read it. Like it was a very smart solution. Interesting. They want to have a name. Fair enough. Echo is a base command, which means they'll have a name. You do an echo command. Echo command will have an execute. Yeah. Yeah, I see where he's going with this. I see where he's going with this. I don't know. Thinking about it, like, it's not, seems like it just, yeah. I do want the runner to have this. I want everything to have a certain thing. Um, I don't need the name thing, I think. Do I need the name thing? Do I need this? Do I need this? Will it accept runners? Okay, interesting. Oh, I see. We're not really storing information, are we? We're just doing stuff. Yeah. Okay. Ooh, who put that banger on? This is getting a copyright 100%. What does that even mean? What does that mean for me in like YouTube copyright shit? I don't know. Can you listen? Can people listen to stuff? I was talking about bangers. It hasn't been signed on or nothing. Like Spotify, you can't hear it. It's very low for you guys, right? I don't know if it's very low. You'll have to tell me. Um, um, okay, yeah. Let's do this. Do this. Right. Let's so actually, yeah, this is okay. Um, yeah. We do store some stuff, and I'm following exactly the same pattern. We only need the name. No. I could do like a whole package of commands, but like it's this project isn't for that, you know? But you guys see the vision here? When things just start to click like that? Does it make sense? Do you guys see the vision now? Like, I like things being I like things having the name of the verb, like watcher, commander, you know? I like that. That's what I like. Simple guy, I like that. But we'll keep it. We'll keep it. We'll keep it. We want to all of that stuff. Fancy schmancy, too fancy schmancy. But we will have a run for our echo. For our echo. Shout out to Echo from Arcane. We will have a run because we will. This is what we do. And this returns an args. And we do still like this. Echo could have some stuff where it's like, yeah, it's like a behavior, right? So we honestly want to get like, thing is in general, right? So in general, we are going to be saving, we are going to be returning all the args. We're in line with that, correct? But like, how do we get those args? You know? Who's that up to? Shouldn't be up to you, right? It shouldn't be up to you. We should have like a parser as well. So I agree. We should have like a. We're gonna be returning. Like I really doubt like we'll have a. This is exactly this is that. But then we want to be able to pass something correctly, right? We want to be able to get a lot of strings. Return the first one as like I'm not gonna make a new file for this yet, but like we probably want to be we probably want to be making like a function. It's like a It's interesting because the command is also like in general, we want to be returning something like we want to be returning like a name and like some args. So again, this will do something like that. Right, so sort of like the command place. And I've got maybe like command echo. Do we even need this command? I don't know. We're gonna probably have like command name. One thing is to actually get the command in no ways. But like okay. So this is like a name thing, right? And then we're just gonna be like new echo. It's quite nice, right? The other thing is like if you can't find it, then you gotta say you can't find it, right? So you're gonna have like a func run command. Yeah, something like this. Which will return an error, right? This has to return like a an error as well. So like this will pass the CLI input, which will just like get a raw, you know, um, we'll get your bash script, uh, bash.sh. No, your build is executable, right? So we call it like build.x and then arg, arg1, arg2, arg3. It doesn't support flags yet, right? Um, Command will have to also just receive an input like this, and then it will CLI input. Um, and then it will try to yeah, disconnecting Christmas lights, you know, and then it will just try to pass it, which now looking at it doesn't need to be a public function. So it will try to pass the input. And this could get an error. Right, so that means if error, return. We'll just return the error. We'll let the error go. And then we'll go like CMDs, like new commands. And then we'll go like command and found. And we'll try to find the command that the CLI input said. And if it wasn't found, then we will return not found. You dig it. We'll just return not found, and that actually means we'll return the command name. Well, that was nice. Command name, because I could just pass it. This wasn't found, and then if not, then we return command dot run, and we pass in the CLI input args. I can't even express how nice that felt. That was real good. That was real nice. That was real nice. Ooh. Um, so I haven't actually built. Oh, I did build Echo. Okay, okay. So So we just call this user input now. And what we're gonna do here is missing exit. So we'll create an exit command as well. I could make like one file for each of these, which would make sense, but like uh it's not really what I do. It is what I do, but it's not what I'm gonna do in the stream. I would do it, but like yeah. Can you put numbers in this? Ooh, I will. I will. And we've got like this new exit 0. But like the foundation is there, which is quite nice. Like, you know what's gonna happen. It's gonna return an exit 0. Did that come up for the stream? No. Okay. And this will return uh an exit 0, right? With a base command, which can be named, can also just be passed like this, right? Which will have the name exit. Oh wait, that one has a space, right? Oh, so it actually has a run thing. Because, right? Because, uh, hey, you guys into this one? The work rate we're getting at. This is a bit of cursor here and there as well, but like the muscle memory is building, you know? And to make this a runner, like a command, we have to have a run with uh with some args. Right, this will have to return a string and arrow. It's not really gonna return anything, it's gonna break it, right? Should errors break stuff though? I don't think so unless the command says to. So to be honest, if you got past as an exit, you're gonna run something. So the first arg should be the number, right? The first arg should be the number. Um, so we're gonna do code, but like, because we're gonna pass it, this could be an error. This is like string conversion A to I args 0, and then if there's an error, I'll just return. Like, but it could be nil. Like this could be nil. So I'm just gonna say like if the length of args is 0, then we're just gonna do OS exit 1. It's fine. But if not, then if there was an error passing it, we will exit 0. Would we exit 0? Is that an issue of the command? We'll call it as an issue of the command, you know? We'll call it as we won't let you leave. You called an exit? Yeah, we won't let you leave, man. Uh, issue, I don't know. Failed. I actually don't even know the area. Actually, we'll pass the error back. It's gonna be a passing error, you know? I doubt you will never get here, right? Like, yeah, no. Are they handled errors? Yeah, they all handled errors, right? So, yeah. So it actually return at this point. Like, just printing was weird as well. FMT returns the actual string, right? We need to do sprint now. It's amazing, man. It's fucking this Golang's fucking crazy. It's so good. So good. You actually just wanna you probably just wanna print the error. Hey, sweet. Uh I think this works. Let's see. What? I didn't even know that. How does that change things though? Oh, it just auto does it? Okay. Now what's the issue here? Fair enough. Fair enough. Just found out the whole stream. You can't, you're always seeing this. Ah, it's like you weren't seeing me switch. Oh, that's horrible. I don't even know. Like the whole stream is fucked. Why did it say undefined? He's perfectly defined. Why did it say undefined? Okay.
Desperately alone.
Oh, wait. Is it because I do this? I should do this? That wouldn't make sense though, right? That's interesting. Now I do need to make it public though. Yeah. How can you not see that? Oh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. It's definitely a pass error as well. It's definitely this. It's this one. dumb, but like I think this is the only way I can do it right now. I was gonna do the same pointer thing, so I'm gonna do like I could literally just do like I think this would be easier. Yeah, I think this would be easier. It's like just do that. Um, if if the length of the fields is one, you just return the name. If not, then you just return like you return from that position all the time, man. It's been there all the time. Uh, I don't know what to do about that. Where though? Where does that happen then? Okay, you pass it. You do new commands. You do the input. Right. This is my bad as well. I'm missing. And then if you're not found, you return that. Where is it? Where is the issue? Where's the issue? It has to be the pass, right? Is it this? Is this wrong? Okay. Is it here? Is this it? It can't be though. Is it what? Where is this being thrown from? Classic here, man. Classic. It happens. Hmm. It happens. New commands can't throw an error, right? No. Me too. It's three. I could just like put the number as well. Like, why does this happen? It gets to three. It returns an error. It doesn't get to four. Doesn't get here. Is it this? No. Oh, right. It's not found. So the command wasn't created. Right, okay. It's CLI input dot name. Right, okay. Because, yeah, command's not found. Interesting one. Interesting one. You know? Interesting one. It's an interesting one right there, because the condition is above it, but like it could still let me use stuff. Um, yeah, yeah. I think we're good to go. We did the echo, and like the next implementations of anything is going to be really easy. You know, it was quite good. It was a good. Like we're not doing AOC, but like it is close fit. You know, I like we just built a good foundation. I think. So there's this thing called built like a built-in apparently. I think it means like a command has to have an explain, or do we have like a? So I'm just gonna give you guys the pro. I don't know how much I can give for like basically the implementation looks like this. Forgot to turn on the cam again. Oh, what happened with my camera? My camera's on, man. It's just not working. So many things, man. So many, so many little things I see here and there. It's like it's been a hard live stream. Like we found a lot of issues. Uh, we've seen a lot, you know. I forgot to unmute myself. I was listening to the voice. I forgot to unmute myself. Oh no. Yeah, it's I'm a rookie streamer. Ah, computer's freezing. Oh, it's not nice. I think I've got to turn down the video settings. Maybe. I don't know. I'm not sure how to turn down the buffer stuff, but I'm dropping frames. It might be good now. It might not. There's a lot of trial and error here. Okay, the interesting thing here is that this is the command I want to return. This command I want to return more commands. How many like levels of commands will there be? They call it a built-in. I'm not sure what that means for us. Like encoding overload, consider turning or using. My encoder's dying. Let me Google this a bit. Ah, I think we're gonna end this here. I have to think about. I have to think about how I do this encoding stuff. Is it possible one stream? Let me just try something. I mean, this might be better. I have no idea. It might have to encode only one source instead of multiple. I'm gonna try to finish this, but like I can't lie, it's not been the greatest stream. Oh, I think I'm getting coding issues now, but I'm just gonna kill this. Literally just gonna kill this. Is it better? I don't know. I'm not sure. But okay. Um, it's interesting because you need to you have a commander and then you want to have a type. I guess you could just pass type all the commands and then it will just see, yeah, maybe that works. Yeah, I think so. I think we do something like that. So it's like a new command, right? It's called built-in. Um, sorry, it's called type. And I'm gonna have to call it type command because it does not seem right to just say type type. And yeah, it would just be a composition of base command, type command, all the time of type command. The name will be type. The interesting thing here is I need you to receive more than just args. Type is going to need more than just that. Type is going to need also a map of like commands. It it's going to need. Can it call a commander? Can I have? Can I have? Can I do this? This will loop, but it might send the copy. It might send the copy. It might send a copy. Oh, I'm feeling this. Um, uh, I think this will work. Fair enough. Fair enough. Fair enough. And we will return a string. And we will return an error. And We will do something very similar as to run does. We will do something like this. But it's going to be t dot commands. And we're gonna have the first thing there. So if you run type, if you run like if the length of args is 0, then I can't really do anything, right? You're gonna have to like, how do I know what you wanted to type? You know, like, yeah, you did something there. You know, type is wrong. Um, you know, you if you're using this, it's like, yeah, type command is wrong. I mean, I expected at least one arg. And then if you didn't find it, we would just do this. We won't run it. We will do fmt.string and then the command is something like it's like this. So it's really just the value and the command name. And then we're going to call this type, and it will be a new type command, and it will return the commands. Type echo, type blue. That's actually sick, man. That was sick. That was good because it could I think it copies what commands is to this point. It's quite nice. That was really good. We're just gonna run tests. I think it's fine. Like we're building a good version of this, I think. Yeah, it worked first time. It is at 11 p.m. I think this is probably gonna be the last one for today. Leaving it on a good note. Probably for the best. Uh, we are the next stage. Let me just see what the next thing would be. Um, path. What? Okay, it's gonna be a hard one, but like we'll see. We'll see what that means. I think the next step is just yeah. The next step will be something called like allowing other people to run their script here. But it looks good, man. It looks really nice. Like it just runs the command, errors. The running of the command is quite nice as well. You pass it, you check if the command's there, if it's found, if it's not found. Commands is most of the magic, but really we define it here. But a lot of the magic is in here. It's this fact that a command is an interface, and there's a base command, and then each command extends on these commands. And then we just add, like for that name, a run. It's really nice. It's really nice. Um, Yeah. Well, thank you guys for tuning in today. And if you saw this video, I'm not gonna be uploading this, so this is for myself because I had a lot of issues today streaming, but maybe next time it will be uploaded. And I have to be better with this.